I am on Patreon, and Patreon is a platform where I will upload interesting videos where you can learn astrology. And this is an exclusive Patreon only membership videos where you will get some interesting takes on Vedic astrology, some interesting learning on Vedic astrology, which I can usually will not upload on general YouTube platform. So that will help me grow as a channel, and that will help me take care of the cost of production of this YouTube channel and the other two channels that I have, Puneet's Astrology Hindi and Lifetime Soul. Connect with me on Patreon and we will grow, and I will give you much more deep insights on Vedic astrology, and lot more secrets will be shared there. Hello seekers, welcome to Puneet's Astrology, your one-stop astro channel. Continuing with the series of House Lord and Houses, we are now in second lord in fourth house. What happens when second lord goes in fourth house? We will discuss in this video. Please like the video if you like, and hit the subscribe button, share the video among family and friends, and follow me on my social media platforms. And if you want to take my consultation, the email ID is in the description box below. You can drop me an email. So let's begin with second lord in fourth house. Second house is the value system, it's the family, it's the security. If second house lord goes into a negative place, it is only going to damage the security. The second house lord is the carrier of the energies of the second house. This house lord goes in, it can go in any place out of all the 12 houses. Wherever it will go, it will try to bring the security from that particular house, that particular bhava. Fourth house is the house of happiness, it's the house of mother. It's the house of love, compassion. Also, it's the house of learning, education, nourishment. It is the Gurukul. So when second lord goes in the fourth house, it means your security, your desires, your affection towards life, your value system is tied up to your own home, your family lineage, your mother. And this means your security will also be provided by mother, and you will also have to, and that is your inherent karma, to provide security to the family, to the mother, to the nation. Fourth house is also your own motherland, your own country. It's basically the home. That is why it is also the house of vehicles, especially the four-wheel vehicles, because you are in an enclosed environment. It's like a house on motion, house in motion. So that is also fourth house. Properties, any kind of institutions that you build, fourth house. When second lord goes in fourth house, mostly you will see that you will invest your money and you will lock your money by building assets. You will have a lot of assets. And if this has connection with the eighth house, assets comes from inheritance. You will also gain money from your mother, maternal side, and maternal uncle. If Mercury is strong, then maternal uncle will be very strong in your family. When second lord goes in fourth house, you would like to live a life of peace and luxury. You will like to live a life which resonates with calmness, serenity. It's like you are living a life in a resort. You will not want hustle and bustle, but rather you would want peace of mind. And in that case, it may be that you are more focused on earning passive money rather than active money. It's like buying 10 properties and then putting it out on rent. Now, where the fourth lord goes will tell you how active you will be in your life. If Saturn aspects this combination, this placement, Saturn second lord in fourth house, aspected by Saturn or with Saturn, then you will have to really work hard to get the settlement in life, get the peace of mind, get the happiness. If Ketu sits along with the second lord, that means whatever you will earn, whatever you will put your assets into, there's a very high chance that you will, either it will be misused or won't give the return that you desire. So act accordingly, play with the energies of second lord in fourth house in a very peaceful way. This is not the energy to disturb. In fact, this is a very good Lakshmi Yoga, because second house is your bank balance, wealth, and fourth house is where the wealth goes into accumulation. It makes you a hoarder. It makes you somebody who just buys everything, and even if you don't need, that means it can give you unnecessary expenses in life. So be very careful. Smart investment is the key here. Earning from investment and investment businesses is the key here. You may be born with great wealth, but that wealth should multiply, and you should only focus on how to multiply that wealth passively. If this placement is in a very good position, that means that if it is with Jupiter, if it is with Sun, if it is with 9th Lord, if it is with 11th Lord, then definitely it creates a lot of wealth. And people who are working in hotel industry, people who are working in restaurant business, people who are working in travel and tourism also can benefit by this placement. If you have this placement, that is also one avenue that you can tap into. Anything that is related to luxury, peace, vacation, resort, wellness center comes from 2nd Lord in 4th house. You will also have a great affinity towards your mother. The love, the security comes from mother. And if mother's love is absent somehow, then that becomes a very difficult situation. So you should help mothers and Mother Nature. Your contribution towards the earth and Mother Nature should be maximum among all the placements of planets. When you have 2nd Lord in 4th house, a part of money should be invested in your own security, in your own comfort, but a part of money should also be invested in comfort of some other person. A small participation is more than enough. If you're doing this, you will see that you are in a much better shape in life, and you are actually finding true happiness and true peace of mind. So that was a quick analysis of 2nd Lord in 4th house. Do post your views in the comment section below, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, this is your host Puneet. Namaste.